Today is February 17th February 2015. It's about 3:33 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm gonna call CRST Logistics on telephone number 973-729-0999 on a posted load from Jamesburg, New Jersey to Fort Mill, South Carolina, which is 590 miles plus another 40 to Jamesburg or Monroe Township. The desired average by the broker side, it looks like in a bad market, looks like it's about 850. Normally what the load books for is 1150. Today there is a huge amount of snow, which seems like it is melting a little bit, and it should be a couple $100 more, and there are 1,800 loads in 100-mile radius, which is a very strong New Jersey market. Where the loads are right there, 1884 as of 3:06 p.m. and it is Bordentown 100 radius. That is a very strong market, and if you want to look at the ratio of the New Jersey loads, New Jersey 25,536, and that line goes to 3.65, which is that was for the last week when the loads were about 1,000. Today the loads are about double. The market is running about 7 to 8 trucks per loads per truck, and that is a very strong market. Let's see what the trash behind the scene. All my calls are answered by the trash behind the scene. The terrorists would block all the intercept all the calls and answer a totally retarded answer. And let's see what the retards say on this load. Here you go. It was just posted about a minute ago. Actually, it's been a little bit more time since that's been sitting a few minutes. So let's just call this and see what the retard has to say. 973 729 0999. These people owe me a truck ordered under rush circumstances and never paid me, and I may have to go sue them.
Good afternoon, CRST.
Yeah, who I'm speaking with?
This is Eric.
Hey Eric, Jamesburg, New Jersey to Fort Mill, South Carolina.
Sure thing. It's a one pick, one drop, no touch load. Palletized freight weighing about 26,000 pounds. Something like this, I'm looking at 750.
Today? 750? There are about 8 loads to one truck, and there's a huge amount of snow running on the roads in this area.
Okay.
Can you do any better?
That's really where I'm at.
Alright, thank you. Well, that was Eric for you, the retard. It must be a trash group answering the phone call, because if it's a real broker, it's not possible that he's gonna answer on this load to be L1140045 to be 750. That's not even a normal market. The normal, I just showed you what the it's about average in a bad market is 850, and what the load usually books for is about 1150. So this must be a trash trying to sell his mother. So that was, he says, Eric from CRST.